So hello guys, welcome back to my channel again, Market Masters Hub Profitable Portfolios. So today I am back with one more video which will help you to analyze more about your investments in gold, that what is the best way to invest in gold. It would be physical gold, will it be digital gold? Digital gold, with digital gold I mean with will it be done through, it will be done through some applications majorly which I am aware of, even you are aware of, is Paytm and phone pay sort of things. And thirdly, where most of them may not be aware of, are sovereign gold bonds, SGB. Nowadays SGB have started gaining influence, and people have started investing into SGBs, but that completely depends on uh, your needs and what type of investment you are looking for. So let's proceed with our analysis study today for gold. So if you are planning to buy physical gold just for investment purpose, then buying jewelry is not a wise option, because you will be paying making charges, you would be paying taxes. If you are looking to buy jewelry, that is not a that is not an investment option which I would suggest. Although you can wear the jewelry, you can show it off to others, but that is not an investment option. Coming on to the gold prices today, we see here that gold prices for 10 grams differs in different cities, where in Bangalore you'll be able to see that it is nearly 59,000, in Chennai it is 52,000, in Delhi it is 59,000, and wherever you are based out of in India, it would be different in different cities and different states. That is because of the tax which is levied on the gold and silver and other ornaments. That is how the price difference you are able to see here is varying in Bangalore and Chennai. And even if you are purchasing jewelries, that would be mostly in 22 carats or 18 carats. But if you are purchasing gold coin, that would be completely 999% purity, that would come in 24 carat. So 1 gram will cost you nearly 5300 rupees for 22 carat gold, and for 24 carat it would cost you 5800 rupees, nearly 5800. Considering if we are taking example for 10 grams, here we can see that 58,000 something rupees, 58,860 is the investment price, or is the price which we will have to pay for 10 grams of gold, physical gold, which we are purchasing. And apart from this, if it is a gold coin, we may have to pay the making charges of the gold coin. That would be roughly nearly maybe 2 to 3% or maybe 5%. That depends on the type of the brand of jewelers you are going to. So considering that would be nearly 2 to 3%, and even you would be paying the GST on that amount. So that would come to nearly, for 10 grams, if you are considering 58,000, then your total investment which you have to make for 10 grams is nearly 64,000 to 66,000 rupees. I'm not doing calculation here, but roughly if we calculate for 6%, 3% making charges, 3 to 5% maybe, and 3% GST, that depends on the different states of India. So if we are considering at least 6%, so that would come nearly 3,600 to 4,000. So that's how it would be 64,000 or 65,000 roughly for 10 grams of physical gold coin. So now moving on to the digital gold. What is digital gold? So digital gold, as most of you know, that it would be a transaction where you would be purchasing a gold, you would be doing a gold investment, but although the gold, physical gold will not be with you, it would be stored in the safes of the company or the organization with whom you are purchasing your digital gold. So coming on to Paytm, I have not logged in here, but I am able to see the buy and sell rate, although I am not doing some sort of promotion here, but this is up to you. Anyone can access the website, Paytm website. Here you can see yourself if you are purchasing the the digital gold. You'll be able to see that digital gold is costing you 6,000 something rupees, 6,000 change, 6,069 rupees. Here you can see here. So the digital gold is costing you 6,069 rupees when you purchase, considering if you are purchasing 1 gram. And when you are selling on the same day at the same time, if I am seeing the price here, I am able to see that nearly 60, nearly 2 to 200, 150 to 200 amount is debited, and that is the charge, that is the spread charge which you will have to pay for renting your gold with the this safe Paytm. And apart from this charges, the spread charges, I mean, apart from the spread charges, you may have to pay the GST as well, apart from all the charges. And GST you will not, you will not get it back. Like you are paying 6,069 rupees for 1 gram, and you are only getting 5,849 rupees. So the same way, the GST would not be refunded, although the GST I am not able to see here, but obviously the GST would be added here, because this is the physical gold which will be accumulated on your behalf and kept it into the lockers of the Paytm or maybe some other company like PAMP, MMTC, something of that sort. And even the benefits are, you can invest here with some nominal charges, but obviously the disadvantages here are you cannot rent it or you cannot keep the gold here for lifetime, or maybe at least for 10-15 years if you're looking for long-term investment. And even it is not regulated under, as you can see, there is no government run regulatory body like securities for stock exchange. You can see SEBI, Securities and Exchange Board of India, or there is no such regulatory authority for digital gold if there is any issue which you may face in future. Although there may not be any issues as well, but considering if there are any, then you should be prepared for it. First and foremost, you should be well aware about why you are investing. If you are investing for savings purpose for long term, or if you are investing for short term also, your purpose should be clear. If you want to invest in digital gold, physical gold, or SGBs, sovereign gold bonds. And with the bond here, with the word bond, as you can see, sovereign gold bond, although this is not a gold which is backed up with your money for 1 gram, which you are paying nearly 5,800, but you are getting a sovereign guarantee. So government is renting your money to them with some charges which are to be paid as interest per annum, apart from the appreciation on the amount which you will get by investing into 1 gram. So suppose, considering example of 1 gram, you are investing 5,873 rupees per gram. You will not have to pay anything extra on this amount. So this is the simple amount which you will have to pay, and you will get interest per annum apart from the capital appreciation. So tomorrow or maybe after 1 year, if the gold prices are 6,500 or 7,000, so here when you sell back your gold after 1 year, this I'm talking of sovereign gold bond, which you will purchase through any banks or any RBI lending authority. So if you purchase it from banks, so here there is one catch where you have to, where your money will be locked for 7 years, nearly 7 or 7.5 years. Your money will be locked, and there is no option of liquidating it. But you will be getting capital appreciation, and you will be getting interest per annum, that is 2.5%. And minimum investment here, it seems, is 1 gram, and maximum is 4 kg. So here, if you are the capital appreciation means, if you purchased 1 gram of gold at 5,800 rupees today, and maybe after 7 years the rate of gold is 1 lakh, so you will get here 1 lakh as your capital, and apart from that, which you have received it yearly until 7 years, that is the total amount of 2.5% per annum. But as I said, you should be well aware about what type of investment you are looking for. Considering may it be for long term or short term, or if you are looking for physical gold, you should be well aware about your type of investment, what you are looking for. I'm just trying to make it simple for you so that you'll be able to differentiate between what type of investment will help you and what type of investment will cost you some amount of money as charges or as GST. So I do see here the SGBs have been released for 2023 year and 23 and 24 year FY24. So the SGBs have been released. This is one of the bank's website which I am able to see here. That is per gram rate is 5873, 5873 for online applications. And if you go offline, as in if you go walk in into bank and if you purchase this, that is called as offline. Online is when you log in, when you have some bank account with maybe the private banks or the nationalized banks, government banks, I mean. So if you go walk in into the branch, that is called as offline, and if you go online on their website where you have net banking or something, and when you purchase it online, the cost which you will have to pay for 1 gram is 5873, and when you go walk in the branch directly, you will have to pay 5923. So that is nearly 50 rupees extra. So the best way which you can invest is you can go online and you can invest online, so that you will save 50 rupees instantly. So I will hover on to some other website of the bank. Obviously you would know this bank because you may be able to see the names on the right hand side. So here also you'll be able to see the same rates, and the applications, the subscription period is mentioned here where the applications would be welcomed. So here you'll be able to see the same rate because these are governed under Government of India. So the rates would be the same for every bank or every authority who is valid for selling these gold bonds. The rate would be same, and even the interest which you are receiving would be same. So coming on to the conclusion, that what type of investment you're looking for. If you're looking for physical gold, then obviously this is not for you, buying this gold bonds. If you're looking for physical gold, then you may have to buy a gold coin, because buying jewelry is not an investment option. You may have to buy gold coin, and you can keep it with some extra amount which you will have to pay as GST on making charges, which you will not get a refund while you are selling it. Coming on to physical gold, coming on to the digital gold, obviously there are also some charges which I have explained previously. And lastly, the sovereign gold bonds. As I informed you previously, that sovereign gold bonds are not gold coins or 1 gram of gold which you are getting after paying this amount, but these are backed up with the government guarantee of sovereign guarantee, which government is giving you at the same price of 1 gram of gold. They are renting, they are taking your money, they are using your money, and they are paying you the gold appreciation or the capital appreciation as it would be linked through gold amount, although it would not be linked through physical gold, but it would follow the same amount which physical gold is trading on. So last point is, if you are happy and if you want to proceed with the sovereign gold bonds, that the thing which you have to do, there are two types of options again here which you will be able to see. You can go on to any bank which you are owning, not owning, which you are having a bank account in, which you are having account. You can go on to same bank online and purchase the SGBs, sovereign gold bonds. If you are purchasing one gold bond, it will cost you 5873. And the main thing here you need to understand is there will be a lock-in period of 7.5 years, or nearly the tenor. Okay, it is updated, I think, but 8 years, there is no exit option until 5 years, and fifth year, um, you may have to lose on some money with interest which you would not get after 5 years, and you may take it out. There is option after 5 years. But if you're looking for something as investment and you have to do it as short term, then obviously you can go for sovereign gold bond, which you will be getting on your trading account, on your demat account. I mean, you don't have to open a separate commodities account to get gold bonds. You can purchase gold bonds on your application, any of your application, may it be any trading application, although I'll not take name, otherwise you will say that it's a promotion. So any of your demat application which you are having, which you trade on, which you invest on, you can search this, and you can buy the gold from there. So like this, here you can see I have Zerodha account, so I have invested through this. Although the screenshot is from previous amount which I had invested long back, the gold rates have been increased from this amount so far, nearly 1,000 rupees. So this was the previous amount when I had invested long back. So the main benefit which you will get here when you're looking for short term, the gold bonds which you will get on Zerodha or any of such demat trading um, platforms, that you can sell it maybe after 5 days, maybe after 10 days, or you can sell it after 8 years as well, until the expiry of the gold bond. So like here in this screenshot we are able to see that the expiry is in June 30. So until June 30 you can sell it anytime. You can buy it today, you can sell it after at least 3 days, because it will take 3 days to credit into your account. So the credit timelines are T+2. So if you are transacting today, if you are doing a purchase transaction today, then then the gold bond which would be credited to your depository would be after 3 days. So the main benefit here remains that you can sell it, you can liquidate your gold bonds with guarantee of government, sovereign guarantee, anytime. Unlike if you are investing through some bank, then there will be a lock-in period where you cannot sell it. But if you are going through the trading platforms, the demat accounts, you can simply purchase it. This is what you may have to type there, sovereign SGB, and you will be able to see some sort of different types of expiries of this elements will be there on Zerodha or any demat platform. Some would be expiring in 29, some would be expiring in 28. So according to your need, if you are okay, then you can invest in 30, because that is the latest one. And compared to the bank where you will have to be into the lock-in period, on demat account you may not have to do so. So in demat, as I said, you will have that freedom that you can sell your gold bonds anytime after 3 to 4 days whenever you invest in them. So even if you invest today, you can sell it after 3 days anytime. So there is no such lock-in, and there is even good liquidity which is available. Mostly as I'm monitoring every day, so nearly 100 to 200, the volume which is sold and purchased is nearly 200 to 500, which happens on NSE and BSE. So according to that, according to the volume which you have, you can execute the sell or buy option basis on your needs. So this is all for today's video, guys. Hope I was able to answer your queries related to physical gold, digital gold, sovereign gold bonds. And with this video, I'm not trying to promote any website or degrade any website. It depends on you, what you are looking for, on your needs, and according to it, you can start investing accordingly. That's it for today's video, guys. I'll keep you updated. I'll keep you posted with next updates. Until then, signing off. Bye bye. Take care. And lastly, as you are already aware that I am new here, you can shower your love by subscribing my channel, which will help you to be updated, to keep yourself updated about the new updates which are getting in markets or in news. I'll keep you updated with all those on your single click, which you can help me with. Thank you again. Bye bye.